All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford F-150. It is the XLT model, this beautiful burgundy color with gray cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera. With 5,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty damn good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn nice. It's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire dirt for here is 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have like a heavy gouge here, about 2 inches. Some scuffing here. Might actually be sandable. Couple of chips, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and here it looks like we have some sort of repair, previous repair to this. I'd say that's like about substandard work there. Gotta be done. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear driver steel wheel, sorry. Tire dirt is over 10-30 seconds. Nice shot of your bed. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this truck for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster, oops, and stuff like that. Alright, turn the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Running issues, your mileage of 5,420 something. What is it? 5,421. Right, keeping it moving. Boom, boom, boom. Your rear passenger seat with outlet sight, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty decent. Here we do have some heavy scuffing here, about 3 inches. A heavy scratch over here, about 4 to 5 inches right there. Some more chippies, 1, 2, some more scuffings back here. That's what your rear trunk space or cargo area looks like. Boom, your bed looks nice with the lining. Coming around, this quarter does have some damage. I'll say dent, paint off, 10 or more inches. Boom, that's what it looks like. Let's see, 3, 6, 3, 6. Actually, it looks about 6 inches, not 10 or more. 6 inches, right there, that whole thing. About 6 inches. You got a heavy scratch here, about 3, 6, about 9 inches right there, heavy scratch. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's a rear passenger steel wheel, the entire alloy wheel. Over 8-30 seconds. This door does have some damage here. Paint off 3, 6, about 9 inches. And on the sail panel, 3, 6, about 6 inches here, from here to here. All right. Look at it again. This is what it looks like. 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches. Right on this panel here. Would be considered frame? No, because it didn't go through here. So not frame, but definitely a dent here, 3, 6 in this area. You can see it right there. Has not gone through this here, which is what it needs to go in order for it to be frame, I believe. Yep. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Battery just died out. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Rim. Any tire that is over 8-30 seconds. Lights are on. Let's turn on the fog lights. See if they work. If they don't work, see if they work. And my fog lights are working, folks. Once again, this is the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT model with 5,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.